Okay, so today guys, let us discuss about the composition of functions. So ano po ba pag sinabi natin composition of function? A composite function is generally a function that is written inside another function. So ang composition of function, we can represent this into this notation. So f composite of g of x. So ang pagbasa po niyan is f composite of g of x. Hindi po yan fag of x. So dito sa f composite of g of x, meron tayong inner function at meron din tayong outer function. So dito sa composition of function, si g of x natin, si g of x will serve as the domain of our outer function. So whatever the value of our g of x, siya po yung magiging domain ng ating outer function, which is yung f of x. So just like for example, meron tayong dalawang given function. Okay, so for example, we have here the f of x, or start muna tayo sa ating f of x. So we have here f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. Tapos, kung meron naman tayong, for example, g of x naman. So for example, we have g of x na in a form of 2x minus 3. So if we are asked to find the value of f, find the value of f composite of g of x. So for example, we have here f composite of g of x. So ibig sabihin po niyan, so ang g of x natin will serve as the domain, ang g of x natin will serve as the domain of our function na f of x. So this is our f of x. So ang gagawin natin, isusulat muna natin yung ating outer function. So ano ba yung outer function natin? Yung f of x. Ano ba yung value ng ating f of x? Ang value ng ating f of x is 3x plus 4. So in this case, isa-substitute natin ngayon yung value ng ating g of x sa x ng ating 3x plus 4. So, ang mangyari niyan is bring down natin yung ating 3, then yung ating plus 4, then itong x value natin, papalitan natin siya ng value ng ating g of x, which is 2x minus 3. So, if we are going to solve this one, so we will have this one, 3 times 2x, so we will have 6x. Then 3 times negative 3, this is 9, then plus 4. So simplify, so we will have 6x, then negative 5. So this is now the value of our f composite of g of x. Okay? So if you have question, feel free to ask question. So how about if we are asked to find the value? Baliktarin naman natin. So we have here, find the value of g composite of f of x. Okay, so ibig sabihin po niyan, yung inside function natin is yung value ng ating f of x. Si f of x will serve as the domain of our g of x. Okay? G of x. So we have this notation. So ang gagawin natin, copy muna natin yung ating outside function, which is yung 2x minus 3. So we have here 2x minus 3. Then substitute natin dito yung ating inside function na f of x. So ang f of x natin is yung 3x plus 4. So 3x plus 4. Then bring down natin si yung ibang natira natin sa g of x na 2 and negative 3. So in this case, distribute natin. So we will have here 2 times 3x. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 6x. Then 2 times 4. So we have here 8. Then of course minus 3. Then simplify natin. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 6x. Then we have here yung ating plus 5. So this is now the value of g composite of f of x. Okay? Ayan. How about this one naman? So we have here two given functions. F of x is equal siya sa 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. At yung h of x natin is 2x minus 3. Then, find the h composite of f of x and f composite of h of x. So in this case, yung number 1 natin, so h composite of f of x. So ang ating inner function is our f of x. So si f of x will serve as the domain of our h of x. So this is our h of x. Tapos ang kanyang domain is yung ating f of x. Okay? So in this case, we are going to copy yung ating outer function na 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. So, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute natin yung value ng ating f of x dito. Okay? So, bring down muna natin yung ating 2. Then, sa loob ng ating parenthesis is the value of our f of x. Then, the minus 3. Ilagay natin sa loob yung ating f of x na 2x squared plus 4x, then minus 3. Then, after that, we are going to use yung distributive property. 2 times 2x squared, so this is 4x squared. Then 2 times 4x, this is 8x. Then 2 times negative 3, so this is equal siya sa negative 6. Then minus 3. So in this case, if we are going to simplify, we will have 4x squared plus 8x, then minus 9. So this is now the value of our h composite of f of x. Okay? How about this one naman? So if we are asked to find the value of f composite of h of x. So in this case, so ang magiging outside function natin is yung f function at yung inside function natin is yung h of x. So ibig sabihin po niyan, yung outside function natin na f of x, ang kanyang magiging domain is yung value ng ating h of x. Okay? So, in this case, what we're going to do is i-copy muna natin yung ating outside function. So, ano ba yung outside function natin? So, ang outside function is yung value ng ating f of x. So, ang f of x natin is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. So, copy natin. So, 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. So dito, what we're going to do is ipapalitan natin yung variable ng ating mga outside function ng value ng ating h of x. So bring down muna natin yung the rest, yung 2. So we have here 2, close and open parenthesis, then square plus 4 times close and open parenthesis, then minus 3. Ilagay natin sa close and open parenthesis natin yung value ng ating h of x. So ano ba yung value ng ating h of x? So that is 2x minus 3. So lagay natin dyan. So this is 2x minus 3, then 2x minus 3. Sinubstitute lang natin yung value dito. Ito, pinalitan lang natin ng 2x minus 3. Then after that, what we are going to do is square lang muna natin. So follow natin yung PEMDAS rule, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So ito, exponent muna tayo. So ibig sabihin, ipaprocess muna natin ito. Okay? So to process this one, so bring down muna natin itong 2. Then square muna natin yung 2x minus 3. Para ma-square natin yung 2x minus 3, kunin muna natin yung square ng 2x. So what is the square ng 2x? So that is equal siya sa 4x square. Then after that, multiply natin si 2x and negative 3. So 2x times negative 3 that is negative 6x. Then multiply mo ulit by 2. So that is equal siya sa negative 12x. Then, para makuha natin yung last term natin, square lang natin si negative 3. So what is negative 3 squared? So we know that this is equal to positive 9. Then bring down natin si positive 4, the 2x minus 3, then of course yung minus 3 natin. So in this case, we are going to use yung distributive property. So distributive property, distribute natin ito. Si 2 times 4x squared, so this is equal siya sa 8x squared. Si 2 times 12x, so this is equal siya sa negative 24x. Then 2 times 9, so this is equal siya sa positive 18. Then of course 4 times 2x is equal siya sa 8x. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Then bring down natin yung negative 3 natin. So in this case, arrange natin in descending order. So una natin is 8x squared, then followed by negative 24x, so negative 24x, followed by positive 8x, then 18, yung constant natin na 18, then minus 12, then minus 3. So in this case, simplify natin. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 8x squared, then negative 24x plus 8x. So this is equal siya sa negative 16x. Then 18 minus 12 is equal siya sa 6 minus 3. So positive 3. So therefore, wala naman itong common factor. So therefore, we can say that this is now the value of our f composite of h of x. Okay, so if you have question, so feel free to comment your questions. Yun lang po ang basic natin for the composition of functions.